Walking around in the wind can be annoying. It kicks up dust, messes up your hair, yeah, even mine, and can be very dangerous.
It sure can, but there is also a bright side to all of this. Action 7 News reporter Justin Matthews joins us live to show us why the wind can also be very helpful. Justin.
Well, as Joe has been talking about, it feels even colder outside because of the wind. Yes, it is unpleasant, but it's helping us keep our lights on in our homes and businesses. Wind turbines stretching more than 250 feet above the ground. There are 64 of these at the Red Mesa Wind Energy Center about 50 miles west of Albuquerque, generating enough electricity to power more than 25,000 homes. So the windy days have pros, despite how unpleasant it can be outside.
Wind is one of the key renewable energy resources that utilities have to serve customer demand.
PNM uses energy generated by wind at Red Mesa and another farm in eastern New Mexico. Engineer Dom Mays says wind turbines work the opposite of a fan.
The prime mover, the wind, is pushing against those blades and turning the blades, which in turn are turning a generator inside the turbine housing.
He says it can be done with wind speeds as low as 6 miles per hour to as strong as about 55 miles per hour. That, with solar energy, is powering our homes, helping to get away from the alternatives.
Coal, natural gas.
It's something Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham put front and center during her campaign, and she is now pushing state lawmakers to dedicate funding to more renewable energy resources. So if the wind gusts become faster than, say, 50 to 55 miles per hour, that's just too windy for those wind turbines and they have to be shut off until the weather calms down. Live in Albuquerque, Justin Matthews, KOAT, Action 7 News.